Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into assigning multiple people to a project in Asana in our complete 2025 guide. The first step is to open your Asana dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage all your projects and tasks. It's crucial to have a clear overview of everything happening in your workspace. Now that we've done that, navigate to the specific project you want to assign multiple people to. This helps us because it allows us to directly manage who is working on what within our broader project framework. Next up, click on the Add Members button, typically found on the top right corner of your project dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The reason we do this is to start adding team members to our project. Now, in the pop-up window that appears, start typing the names of the team members you want to assign to this project. Asana will automatically suggest names from your team as you type. This is a great feature because it saves you time and ensures you're assigning the right people. After you've selected all the names, click the Add button. These team members are now part of your project. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning multiple people to a project, you ensure that everyone knows their responsibilities, fostering a collaborative environment where tasks are completed more efficiently. Moving on, you might want to assign specific tasks within the project to different team members. To do that, click on the individual task, then click Assignee and select the team member's name. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is now notifying these team members that they have been assigned a task. This makes sure everyone knows exactly what they need to work on, keeping your project running smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully assigned multiple people to a project in Asana. This step-by-step process ensures that your team is aligned, responsibilities are clear, and your projects are set up for success. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, keep your projects organized and your team informed. Until next time.